Closed Caption Creator is a web-based application used for creating and editing video captions and subtitles. In this course, we'll learn how to integrate Closed Caption Creator into any web-based platform or application using the IFrame tag. This course is intended for developers and product managers. You will need a basic understanding of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. No special framework knowledge is required. To start, we'll create a blank HTML page and load a few CSS and JavaScript libraries using a CDN. I'll include Bootstrap for the styling and PenPal JS. PenPal will be used to communicate with Closed Caption Creator from the parent window. Next, we'll create a navbar using Bootstrap's default navbar component. If you want to follow along, you can copy and paste this code from the Bootstrap docs. Also, we'll need to create a few buttons to trigger functions we'll want to call. Finally, we'll add a container for the closed caption editor. Create an IFrame element with the source set to iframe-demo.closedcaptioncreator.com. If we refresh the page, we'll see the navbar, buttons, and the editor load in the IFrame tag. This is a good start. Before we finish, let's connect to the editor using PenPal JS and check if the communication is working. For this, I have a script file already created. I'll add an event listener to the document to wait until the content has been loaded. Then I'll select the IFrame element and create a new messenger connection using PenPal. You can leave the connection methods empty unless there are custom methods the support team has instructed you to use. Next, let's create a remote object which can be used to call methods inside of the IFrame. Once we have our remote created, we can start calling methods exposed by Closed Caption Creator. A full list of methods can be found on our website or by reaching out to our support team. Let's start by showing the status modal by running remote.toggleStatusModal. Now, when we load the page, we'll see the modal pop up. We can even update the status of the modal by running remote.updateModalStatus and passing in a progress and message. The status modal can be helpful when you want to perform a number of actions and the user may have to wait. For example, importing a project or exporting caption files. We can easily update the loading status using timeouts over the course of 5 seconds. Now, when we refresh the page, we'll see the status modal and the progress increase until it is hidden again. Note there are other methods you can use to customize the status modal, including options to update the title. In the next video, we'll look at setting up our first project and importing project resources, including video, captions, and more.